it's a little bit warm up in here. We're gonna have to blot, Lord. Blot, cause you're hot. Blot, cause you're hot. Blot, 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 cause you're hot. Hey, blot, cause you're hot. Oh. Yeah, sorry. Back to you. So. Hey guys, you know while we're here, it is time to unbox the July Boxycharm collection. Alright, so as always, you know I didn't open it. I just slit this right here. It's dying to open. Look at that. Pop up, pop up, pop up, pop up. It's just dying to get out. So let's go ahead and open. Okay, so upon opening, we got, what's this? Oh, alright. Come through. Okay, so thanks Boxycharm for partnering with Ulta and giving this a $10 facial. Oh, with the Elmis, definitely gonna use that. Y'all better get you some Boxycharm with all these coupons. You know, I hate when people say coupons. It's coupons, but get you. So okay, so July's theme is All Naturale. Okay, that's cute. That's cute. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay. So upon first we have, what's this? The Elmis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Okay, so this I'm really excited to use. Why am I excited? Because Elmis, a couple months ago, we got the Elmis Pro Collagen Moisturizer, and I used that thing up. I was scraping the thing dry. Everything I try to get my sisters, my mamas, my cousins, everybody, whoever had it, I try to get it. Next, we have a lip gloss, almost like a gold kind of deep in champagne, bronzy lip gloss color from Mother of Pearl lip gloss collection from Alamar Cosmetics in the shade Tesoro, almost like Zorro. So it smells like pineapples. I don't know why. I don't know if maybe Tesoro in Spanish means pineapples. I don't know. But it really smells like pineapples. And I like to eat pineapples. I don't like things smelling like pineapples. Like Too Faced had the Tutti Frutti collection. I had that whole beautiful collection of those greens and golds. And it was a pineapple theme. And it smelled like pineapple. I hate that. Ugh. I hate like the artificial pineapple smell. But that's cute. That's cute. Okay, so we got some Luxy brushes. I guess it's under the Gaia collection. Wasn't Gaia like the mother of Zeus and him? Oh, who's Zeus' mama? Ain't it Gaia? That's Mammy. That's who she is. All right. Oh, okay. So we got the little foundation brush up in here. What's this? Oh, a large eye blending brush. I just read large eye blending brush and I really thought it said large eye bag brush. Oh, that would have been so sad. Somebody, look at that, some big eye bags. Lord, cover them up, Jesus. And we have this little precision crease brush. Get all up in their nooks and crannies. Okay. So now we have this lip and eyeliner from Appeal. The color Deep Taupe. Now, but look at this color. You see that? And look at my hand. I don't even know if this is going to show up. If you deeper than me and your tones and your undertones, especially if you have a warm undertone, I don't know if this is going to show up very well on you. It's not really a universal color. I haven't swatched it, so this is all just speculation, just from like the color on the bottom of here, which is usually the color in here. But I'm not sure this will like really show up, so I don't know how good this is. Maybe I gotta open it. Fighting with it. Let's see. So I can barely see it. Maybe you guys can. I mean, the lights kind of do help. It's right here. I just. Ooh, don't blend it. I know you're getting all natural, but dang, we ain't all the same tone. You know, this will look good for somebody who's light. Like my sister, if she could wear this, it'll probably show up really good on her. But I'm darker than her, so I should throw up a picture of her. Shouldn't I? I always talk about my sister. I'm gonna throw up a picture right somewhere, right around here. Yeah, that's her. Okay, next we have this Butter London palette that they gave everybody. Let me see. Let me open this. What it say? Okay, these colors come through. Come through. Okay, what's that? So these are the colors. I don't know how we feel about them. Oh, you ever, it's got a mirror, hold up. You ever get that mirror and look at it and you say, ooh, You are beautiful. You got this. You can rock this dick out. You got it. There's nobody like you. Only you can do you. Only you can be the best. Like, who are you? You are somebody. And you are great. Y'all don't do that? You might want to, because you know what? You guys should always be your biggest fans. Okay, let me just test some of these colors out. Okay. So, they're pigmented, I guess. It's good. I mean, you could definitely do a look. It's very natural. It's very earthy toned. Do y'all ever keep this? Like the trash, not the trash, but like the packaging stuff. I like to use it to like change colors if you want. You know, just clean your fingers up real quick. Ooh, oh no, ma'am. You see that? This done. I know I just put it on there, but this done took majority of that off in T-minus 2 seconds. I know it ain't that good. I know it ain't good. I know I use it to change colors, but I know it's not that good. You may want to use a primer or a concealer to really hold this color and like literally pack these colors on, because that just came off too quick for me in my liking. All in all, we got the brush that I like, the butter linen. I love the colors. I'll give you that. That's good. We got the Elmis mask. Ready for that. We got the lip gloss, which I'm gonna care less about. And we have this pencil, which I'm really not feeling. The coupon was cute. All in all, I'll give the July Boxycharm box. I'll give it like a B minus. For some things that I was just not gonna use, the eye and lip liner, that can go somewhere. I mean, anybody darker than me, I think would really struggle using that. It's not a universal color. It's not very flattering on anybody darker than me, in my opinion. I mean, if you like it for you, rock it out, because you know, you gonna love you better than anybody else can. So I ain't knocking it, but in my opinion, for me, it's just not gonna work. The mask I'm really excited to use. The palette is gonna be decent. It's good. So yeah, it's like a B minus. Could be better, but it also could be far worse. And it's not. That's it for today's unboxing. And as always, thank you for watching, because you know what? You are great, you are kind, and you are beautiful. And don't let nobody, not nobody, take that away from you. You heard me? Please like, comment, and subscribe if you are feeling this video, if you are feeling me. And if not, you know we love the haters. Let them hate. Go ahead and comment anyway. Thank you guys. And just be you, be great. I'll see you the next time. Love ya.